Hey there, health seekers and curious minds. Welcome back to WeSo Health Tips, your go-to destination for uncovering the weird, wild, and wonderful world of health remedies through the ages. Today, we're diving into the quirkiest, and sometimes downright gross, ancient health practices that make modern medicine look like a godsend. So buckle up, because we're about to take a time-traveling tour of history's most bizarre health hacks. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more surprising health insights. Did you know that ancient Egyptians used crocodile dung for healing wounds and as a contraceptive? Yep, you heard that right, crocodile poop. While we don't recommend raiding the local zoo for this ancient remedy, it's a fascinating glimpse into how resourceful and daring they were back in the day. Feeling a little off balance? Ancient Greeks thought the secret to good health was balancing bodily fluids, and they drain your blood to do it. Spoiler alert, it wasn't the cure-all they hoped for, but hey, they tried. Leeches weren't just creepy crawlies, they were ancient doctors' assistants. These slimy creatures were used to treat infections, skin diseases, and even heart conditions. Believe it or not, leeches still make occasional appearances in modern medicine. Both ancient Egyptians and Romans believed urine had healing properties. Drinking urine? Yep, it was their version of an all-purpose health tonic. Would you give this one a try? We're guessing not. Migraines got you down? Ancient healers had a solution: drill a hole in your skull. Known as trepanation, this practice was believed to relieve migraines and neurological issues. Fun fact, some people survived, and even thrived, post-surgery. For toothaches, ancient Egyptians mashed up mice into a paste. We'll just say, thank goodness for toothpaste and modern dentistry. Forget X-rays. Mesopotamians turned to sheep livers to diagnose illnesses. Talk about using what you've got. Another dung-related practice, dried crocodile excrement, was inserted as a barrier method for contraception. Innovative? Sure. Hygienic? We'll let you decide. Looking to lose weight? Ancient health enthusiasts went all in by swallowing live tapeworms. Those little critters would feast inside your body, supposedly shedding pounds in the process. Some ancient remedies used powdered human remains to treat various ailments. It sounds like something out of a horror movie, but this was considered cutting edge at the time. Inhaling flatulence was believed to have therapeutic effects. We'll leave it at that, and let you imagine the aromatherapy sessions. In the 17th century, a magical powder claimed to heal wounds remotely. You didn't even need to touch the injured person. Imagine texting your way to healthcare today. The ancient Romans had an unusual remedy for rabies, applying raw veal to wounds. Meat therapy, anyone? In the 18th century, boiled carrots were the go-to remedy for asthma. While carrots are undeniably healthy, this one's a bit of a stretch. Last but not least, a Roman physician recommended wearing an abracadabra charm to cure malaria. While it didn't work scientifically, it sure made for a good conversation starter. A moment of gratitude for modern medicine. Wow, what a ride. From poo ointment to fart sniffing, these ancient remedies remind us just how far we've come in the world of health and wellness. Which one of these unusual practices fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay curious, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time on WeSo Health Tips.